Hello guys, this is Moin from Ironstone YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be sharing 6 ways to make our life better and simple according to the book of Dale Carnegie, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. And the other book is written by Shiv Khera, the author of India, that is You Can Win. So I have taken 6 clues from 2 books. So guys, if you want to know how to make our life simple and better according to Dale Carnegie and Shiv Khera, so just watch this video until finish. Dale Carnegie is an American writer. He was born on 24 November 1888 in Maryville, Missouri, United States of America. His full name is Dale Harbison Carnegie, and he passed away 1st November 1955. So it's already been 65 years, but until now he is famous not only in America but also for over the world. He saved lot of people's life who wanted to destroy their life. He contributed to change lot of young people's life. Dale Carnegie is one of the best author and writer in the world. Dale Carnegie became able to convince many of the people what is the exact value of human life. That's why he was one of the famous writer and author in 19th century. Shiv Khera, the author of India, he is still motivating to the people over the world. In this video, the main discussion will be 6 ways how to make our life easy and better. According to the book number 1, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, and book number 2, You Can Win, which is written by Shiv Khera, and the other one is written by Dale Carnegie. This video is summarization of those 2 books. From the beginning of human life till death, there is no end of learning. So, number 1, learn from past, not only your, others also. Human life is the most valuable, that is universal truth. The mistake is the part of human life. So if we mistake and then learn, it's better than who are not learning from their mistake. In this book, writer has indicated to learn from others people's mistake, not only yours. The past of human life can give us nothing without experience and learning. That's why author has referred here to learn from others people's mistake, because our life is too short. So if we mistake, so it will be finished one day. So we have to learn from not only our mistake but also for others. Number 2, living in the present moment. Author has referred in this book, lock the door of your past. Whatever happened is happened, because past is past. So you have to forget your past, but you have to make sure you have learned something from your past, and lock the door of your upcoming future. That's it. You are safe now in the present moment. You are not worrying about your past, and you are not worried about your future. So you can live your life properly. You have to understand your thinking clarity. Past and future don't exist in the present moment, which is you can't control. Don't try to control it. So living in the present moment is the wisest thinking according to author. Number 3, make a simple plan for your future based on reality. Author has told in this clue not to worry about your future, just make a simple plan. If you are asked what is knowledge? How you will answer? Okay, knowledge can be defined, that is, based on reality, a concept of clarity is knowledge. You should know that knowledge and experience will make you believe, and your belief will make you succeed. That's why author has described here, from knowledge and experience you will make your simple future plan, not to worry. Number 4. Be honest with you and others. This sentence please try to understand attentively. Normally we know honesty is the best policy. If you deserve a happy life as well success, there is no way without being honest. Actually, honesty is the root of success. So you have to be honest with people. But the author has mentioned in this book, he suggested here, be honest with you first and then to others. For example, you are an honest person with other people. You never break the commitment with others. You don't do anything wrong with people. Unfortunately, you did wrong with people or someone, and if you ask to forgive, maybe if he is kindful, he will forgive you. But you have to understand, your subconscious mind will not forgive you. For example, if you commitment with you and you are breaking, again you are doing that and you are breaking, one day you have to suffer for that, because your subconscious mind never forget. Today or tomorrow you will have the result of that. That's why author suggested here, be honest with you and others. Number 5. Think realistic. Example, you are making plan for your future. Thinking realistic is the important thing of your life. If you can think realistic, you can see the both side of your success and failure. If you are able to think about realistic, you will see the clarity of your thought, and you will not have the emotional pain, worry, fear or confusion. Based on reality thinking will help you to make the proper plan of your life. A realistic thinker, like an observer, he will observe his life and he will understand and he will question and he will bring the answer to make his life better. According to writer, number 6, be grateful for what you have and make the attitude of gratitude. If you want to be happy in your life, make sure you are grateful for everything what you have got. You have to understand, your thinking is the root of your happiness and sadness. So author has suggested here to train your mind to see the good in everything, to be happy. If you think this video will be helpful for your life, just please subscribe this channel and press the bell button so that you can get notification when the new video is uploaded. So always to get education, information and inspirational video, stay with Iron Store. Thank you.